In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up an accountant in Wave. Start by logging in to your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen where your business name appears. Click your business name to open the account menu, then select Settings. This will take you to the area where you manage details for your business and control who can access the account. Inside Settings, find the section labeled User Management. Under that section, click Users. This page shows the people who currently have access to your Wave account, along with options for adding someone new. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the user list and available controls appear before continuing. Next, click Invite a User. This opens the invitation form where you can enter the new user's information and choose what level of access they will have. One detail to watch here is the user role, since that determines what the invited person can see and do in your account. For an accountant or bookkeeper, select Editor as the user's role. This is the recommended role for this type of access in Wave. Before you move on, review the permissions listed for the editor role. Take a moment to confirm that this level of access matches what you want your accountant to handle in the account. The permissions review is useful because it lets you verify the scope of access before you send the invitation. After selecting the role, enter the accountant's first name, last name, and email address in the fields provided. Make sure the email address is the one your accountant will use to receive the invitation, since that email is where Wave will send the access request. If there is a mistake in the address, the invitation may not reach the right person. Once the information is entered and you have reviewed the role permissions, click Invite User. Wave will send an invitation to the email address you entered. At this stage, the invitation has been sent, but the person will not have access until they accept it. The final part happens outside your account. Ask your accountant to open the invitation email from Wave and accept the invitation. After they accept, they will be able to access your Wave account with the permissions attached to the editor role. If you do not see them listed as active right away, give it a moment and then check the users page again. Your accountant has now been invited to your Wave account with the editor role and can access it after accepting the email invitation.